If we are praying just because mag-minister tayo, something is wrong. We are taking God for granted. Kaya malaman natin yan. Pag may schedule na preaching, pray. After mag-preach, parang wala na ulit. Why? Dahil ang katotohanan, we have lost our first love sa Panginoon at friends yung benefits na nakatingin natin sa Kanyang Panginoon. Pagkatapos kung makuha ang kailangan ko sa'yo, kakalimutan na ulit kita. At saka na ulit kapag may kailangan ako. And from Sunday to Sunday to Sunday to Sunday, yan ang nangyari sa mga kapastoran, mga kapatid. Just preaching, no praying, no fasting, no consecration, no secret life. Just preaching. Just doing the duties. Just doing the thing na akala nila yun ang purpose nila. But I want to remind you, every one of you, our duty, our purpose is not preaching. My duty is not deliverance. I'm not called for healing. I'm not called for preaching. I'm called to love Jesus Christ. That's why the commandment of God, love the Lord your God with all your soul, with all your heart, with all your mind, with all your strength. That's the command. Love Him. Love Him. You see, our purpose is not preaching. If you think, pastors, that your calling is to preach, no. Your calling is not to preach. Your calling is not to heal. Your calling is not to deliver. You're just an instrument gawain ng Panginoon na anong primary calling mo? Ang iniutos sa iyo, unang-una, mahalin mo ang Diyos mong manlilikha. I will ask you again, ang unang pag-ibig mo pa ba ay nasa Panginoon?